Everyone, it's Leanne again. How are you all? I'm glad to see you back. I'm just going to do a bit of journaling in my recipe book. As you can remember, that was the first page. The quote says, "Love, laugh, and celebrate." This is the next pages. I have a recipe card, index card in there. This is a little vocabulary of fruits that's in French, and there's recipe card index in there. As you can see, it's a beautiful little card, just fits perfectly in there, I think. It does. And then on the next page we have today's menu for today. I've just put some washi tape and some flowers and a little clip there just to make it look sweet. And I'm going to do this page. Now this background here I painted on some art paper. I put some yellow down and then some green, and then I took some of it off with the paper towels. I just dabbed it on like that and took some of it off so the yellow came through. So I just stuck that, and that says My Kitchen Rules, and I'm going to place that there, but I'm also going to put a border down here. Let me see if that fits. Ooh. No, I don't think so, not on that page. I think I'll put this, that's right. But I'm going to leave that there so I can just stick my kitchen rules down there into that slot, just there. So that's what we'll do. So let's get to it. So I'm going to go halfway. With some glue. Like that. I'm going to place that there, and I'm going to put that there. And we'll just hold that on. Oops, we don't want glue on that. Made a mistake there. I'll just have to take that off. Just get a baby wipe. And I'll take some of that off. Like that. There we go. Just comes straight off with the baby wipe. Okay. Right, now we're holding that down. And make sure that that's stuck. Now we can bend that a tiny bit if you like, to make a distinction. So about there? Yeah. Okay. Right, continue. Now on this page here, I was going to put some of these pictures on the same sort of background. I just cut that from some art paper and green and yellow again. Looks quite effective. I like it. Because I was struggling to see what to do in the backgrounds. Now, I haven't done an art journal before, but it's not too bad actually. I haven't been going too bad. I have been following up other journals, and they've been going good. People that I watch and on YouTube, that is, and they're going really well, and so am I. So I think I have been trying to learn backgrounds from YouTube, and been quite successful watching a few people. There is one I've been watching in particular. She's pretty good. I can't remember her name, for God's sake. I'll remember it and tell you next time, but she's very clever. She just does the backgrounds on journals and shows you how to do them, different types of backgrounds. So she's quite good. Right, we've stuck that down. Now, I'm going to put a few little pieces of stuff here, and little utensils from the kitchen that I found on the net, and a few little pictures, words, sorry. Yes, so I can do any more? No, I think that's it. No, that doesn't look too bad, does it? So I've just put them at an angle facing into that cover, and I'm going to put some words down. Satisfying. Bit of glue seeped out there, so I'll just fix that up. Right, there's a cheese grater. I found a word called cheesy, so I'll put that underneath the cheese grater. Might help it with the words. Okay, there. Now I'm a bit, that glue is sort of going all over the place. That's not too bad. Right, less glue, Leanne. Right, there's a knife. We'll put it facing the middle, like that. Now I might put the word warm there. Some words I found on the internet, you know, about food. Right, we'll put that one down next. Now all you do is cut these little things out. You download them, they're free, and you download them, and then you cut them out, as they say. Fussy cut them out because they're small items. And as you can see, I've left a bit of paper there, and that I don't think it's necessary to cut that out. Right, I'll put the word hot there. Okay, what does that look like? Oh, it looks alright. Maybe it needs something here. Yeah, that might work. 3 of them. Yep. 3 of them. Bit of glue. Put them down there. Like a little hedge. Okay. A little bit of glue there. Right. So there we go. So what does that page look like? Alright. Well, this seems to be okay. So what we'll do now is my kitchen rules can go in there like that. So that fits into there. Have got a few little pieces left over. I could put that up there. Yeah, I think I will. Right, doesn't look too bad. I'll just have a look at this other page here. Shut this down here. Move the index card back in, recipe card. There we go. Okay, so there's the next page in my journal. My menu or my recipe journal. My kitchen rules is sitting in there like that. Now on the next page I do have some pages already I'm looking at. Now I'll just cut this off. There we go. That was just the end bit there. Okay, so the next page I do have some stuff that I have been looking at placement where I want to place things. Now this is a recipe card. It says open the door, you open it up and you can do some journaling here, but I want to put a bit of colour into the page, so you know, that there and there. And then I have my healthy food. In my pantry I have this healthy food. This I'm going to put down here somewhere, and then so when you open this up you can do some journaling behind here, on here, your favourite recipe or something, and then here. Okay, so you know what, I might do that. I'll start it. I'll put that down as some colour onto the page itself. There we go. Hope I haven't dropped anything. Now this can go down here. Okay, can get in the bottom of the page like that. Can too. Now we're going to use some washi tape for this because I'll use, let me see, got some here, some green one. No, I like this pink. I'll use the pink. It's got rabbits on it. Now, trying to find its opening is a different matter. Right. And here we go. We're going to stick this washi tape on about there, like that. Now we cut it off. Both ends first, like that. Now we put it on let's put it on about there, but we go to the edge like that. And turn it over and place the end down like that. Right, so there you've got that. Now when you open it, you put more washi tape here, half on, half off, again, like this. Now, so then you bend it like that, and the washi tape stays on. And make sure, see how it opens up. It gives you the door to open, and then you can write a favourite recipe here or here, or even we can even put a card in there. Did I leave anything here? Nope. So you could have a recipe card in that door too, where you've got this one. But no, I think I'll leave that open like that. Now the other page is in my pantry. I have this stuff. Now this is water, no, not water, it's acrylic paint, and I added water to it, and then I just sponged it over. So what I'm going to do, actually, yes, I just saw something. Yep, this is what I was going to put on the inside, just here. But I'll put it on here because if you want to write, no, I won't put it under there. Because you might want to write your favourite recipe under there. So I might put it on this as a checklist of healthy food. Just like that. So then you open the door and you can write your favourite recipe in there. So there we go. Oh, excuse me. Right, now I'm going to stick this onto this art paper that I painted just for some background, and I'm going to stick that right there. Okay, right, there we go. Now I've got these words here, haven't I? I think I'll put this down in the book first. Just doing some glue here. Sorry if I've been out of camera, sorry. A little bit of glue there. Now, stick this down. In my pantry I have healthy food, which is, I hope we all have healthy food in our pantry. We all need to look after our health. Right, there we go. And then I thought I'd fire off some of this food, these food words. So I'll just start doing that randomly. Okay, don't get too in particular. Just start placing them down. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay. I have to be careful because you can get them uneven just there, can't you? Just try and straighten them. Make sure they're all straight. Like that. Next one. Alright, there we go. Another one. 2 more to go. An orange, which is very good for you, and an apple, which is I have every day. Right, there we go. There's a bit of washi tape there, so I think I'll put it there. See all those little bits that you cut off, you can always just put it back on your page. Right, now, sticky fingers, sticky. Right, now I think that will be all for today. And I'll just go over and show you what I've done. Okay, I wasn't going to do that page, but never mind. We've done it now, haven't we? Okay, so here we go. Now I've got these 2 pages done. Now this is a card that you can stick back in there of my kitchen rules. It's got some fancy bits and pieces of lace borders, and then there's all that. Now on the next page we've got the flip open. You can write favourite recipe there, and then you can add more onto the back if you need more room. It's got some little in my pantry, there's healthy food, and then it's got some words and that there, so that's the next page. Anyway, that's all from me for today. I'll be back to do some more at another time. Bye for now.